Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction, and in this video I'm going to answer the question, what are the top 5 bathroom remodeling mistakes? I'm going to give you the 5 most common mistakes that I see people make when they renovate or remodel a bathroom. And so the first one that I want to start off with is reusing old materials. There is nothing worse than somebody who's like, by the way, don't include the vanity in the quote. I'm gonna use my old vanity. That's stupid. Don't do that. Here's why. The amount that you're gonna save not buying a new vanity is maybe $1,000. But what you're gonna then do is make the bathroom look like it's not brand new. So spend $1,000, get the new vanity, and make the bathroom look like it's brand new. Like, do the thing. You know, if you're gonna do the bathroom remodel, do the bathroom remodel. So that's the first thing that I see people make a mistake on, is reusing old materials. The second mistake that I see people make in a bathroom remodel is they only do one shower head. In my opinion, as a professional who does this, that's a huge mistake. You should never take the opportunity of gutting your bathroom and having all the walls open. That is the easiest time to add more features. I would never, in a bathroom that I own, like in a house that I own, I would never remodel a bathroom and not add a second shower head. I mean, it's just too nice of a feature not to do it. Whether you add a handheld spray, like you have the normal shower head up here, right? And then you either add a handheld spray or you add an overhead like rain shower head that like dumps down onto your head, or you add like body sprays. You gotta add something. I mean, if you're gonna do it, do it. Again, you're gonna see that's a common theme in this video, is if you're gonna do the thing, really do the thing. Because once you have the walls opened up, you're gonna want to wind up adding that second thing anyways. Why not plan it from the beginning versus having the contractor have to be like, now I gotta go get an extra valve and I gotta get the plumber to come back and install it and blah, 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 blah. Why not just plan it that way from the beginning so that you know exactly what you wanna do and you have all those features planned out from the start. More about that in a minute. The third mistake that I see people make is that they use, in my opinion, the wrong type of tile. There's 2 types of tile that you're gonna commonly come across in tile stores like ProSource, Floor & Decor, anywhere where you're gonna buy tile. You're gonna hear 2 things. You're going to hear ceramic tile and you're gonna hear porcelain tile, okay? Ceramic tile is typically a little bit cheaper. Porcelain tile is slightly more expensive, but you're talking about ceramic tile is gonna be anywhere from $1 to $3 a square foot. Porcelain tile for most tiles is gonna be anywhere from $2 to $5 a square foot. Now, obviously with both of those types of tile, you can go crazy and you can be buying $7, $10, $15, $20 a square foot tiles. You can obviously find those. But what I'm talking about is the more common price ranges that we see people actually using on a day-to-day basis, you know, normal everyday folks. And so what you see with that is, you know, if a bathroom takes 200 square feet of tile, for an extra $2 a square foot, that's $400, you could have tile that is, in my opinion, literally 3 to 4 to 5 times better quality in doing porcelain versus ceramic. And let me tell you why. Ceramic tile is what is called porous. It's a porous material and it's not as dense. Porous means that it has little pores and water can actually get into the tile. If you take a porcelain versus a ceramic tile and you flip them over and you put a drop of water on the ceramic tile and a drop of water on the porcelain tile, I'm talking about on the back where you put the thin set. On the porcelain tile, the water will bead and it will stay there. Bead means it will like hold its shape, it'll be a little ball. On the ceramic tile, it will absorb into the tile. You can test this yourself. I have tested this on many tiles. This is actually how I determined whether it's a porcelain or a ceramic. I drop some water on it and see what happens. What you're gonna see is the ceramic tile is gonna absorb the water. That means that it's not waterproof. Now, the tile is not the waterproofing primarily in your shower, but it does help if your tile is not absorbing water and doesn't allow water to pass through it as easily. The other thing is porcelain tile is denser. It's also harder to crack, harder to break, and harder to chip. So in all cases, I recommend people go with porcelain tile over ceramic. It's a better product. And you know, no matter what somebody tells you at the flooring place, at the store, whatever, the people who use the tile and actually put it on the walls, that's who I deal with as a contractor. They prefer porcelain tile. So take that for what it will. If you work at a flooring store and you disagree with me, Leave it in the comments, please. I would love to hear it. And really, maybe I'm wrong, but I don't think I'm wrong. Based on experience, that's the reality of the situation. All right, the number 4 mistake that I see people make is no sealer. They don't wind up sealing the beautiful stuff that they put in. And you might be asking, what the hell is sealer? You might not know this, but things like grout, countertops, and even wall tile, and especially glass, should actually be sealed after you install them. Most contractors won't include this, and it's fine, but you can hire someone to actually do a sealer on all those different surfaces. It protects the surfaces. It helps them to be way easier to clean. I mean, cleaning a sealed wall of tile or grout is literally like 10 times easier than cleaning an unsealed wall. And so it literally is like they just put the sealer on, they put it on with like a sponge, costs a couple $100, and you're done. It's a done deal. The water comes right off of it. The grime doesn't tend to build up on it as much, and it just stays cleaner, and it's a lot easier to clean down the road. Sealer is a really smart investment, and I really do highly recommend it. So that's why it's on this list of the top 5 mistakes. And now, I do want to now give you the final mistake, and this is the biggest mistake that I see. And you know, for some people it's not a big deal, but for me, you know, I mean, we've done like bathrooms that are in the 6 figures, right? Like we've done 6-figure bathroom renovations. And so for me, having seen what a bathroom can be versus what most bathrooms are, the difference, in my opinion, and this actually has nothing to do with price. It has nothing to do with how much you spend. It isn't related to that at all. It is down to the plan. Do you have a plan in writing and actually drawn out for exactly what the bathroom is going to look like? And if you don't have a plan, typically you get a lesser quality product, because when it comes down to actually doing, you know, the actual doing of the install, the tile installer then has to make hard decisions about how he finishes his edges or how he lines his grout lines up. If you don't have it planned out, you have to decide those things on the fly, and you could, and in most likely, you are going to end up with a lesser quality product. So the way that you avoid that, now the other thing is you could be even making bigger mistakes. You know, maybe you're like, I don't care, I'm not gonna look at the grout joints, Brad, like be real. Okay, here's another big problem, not leaving enough room around the pedestal tub, the freestanding tub that you're gonna put under that window in the bathroom, not leaving enough room around it, either A, to get in there to like turn the water on or do what you need to do, or B, it's too close and you can't clean around it now. Like, there's a lot of little things where you're, at the end of it, you're gonna be like, damn it. I wish I would have just added another 3 inches on either side so I could get my Swiffer back there. There's a lot of little things like that. So my recommendation for you is hire someone experienced to do a actual design for your bathroom. This is not a common thing, but more and more people are starting to do it, and I believe that it will become just a baseline thing that everybody who does a bathroom renovation is going to do a planning. They're gonna actually have their bathroom professionally designed, because it's actually not as expensive as you might think to have a full-blown bathroom design, even with a 3D rendering of what it's gonna look like at the end. How do I know this? Because we do that. Like, we are a design build firm. We design just bathrooms for people. And this is down to, you know, as small as an 8x10 bathroom all the way up to a 300 square foot bathroom in a freaking palace. You know, we've done all ranges of that. So if you need help with your bathroom design, you can actually go to homelove.construction/design. Again, that's homelove.construction/design. It's also in the description of this video, to go and actually have our team design your bathroom for you. We can do this for you anywhere in the world, really. We've only done projects in the United States, but if you're in Dubai and you want us to design your bathroom, we will figure out the codes in Dubai and we will do the bathroom design for you. And by the way, we'll only charge you for the design. The learning is on us. We gotta know that. So realistically, we can do this anywhere in the world. And so I would love to design your bathroom. So if you're interested in that, go to homelove.construction/design, and we can get started helping you with that design literally today. So go there right now. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate your attention, and I'll see you in the next vid. Peace.